Hot is a function that selects hot water. You can select between 40 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius, and 85 degrees Celsius when you press the Hot button, and the corresponding temperature setting is displayed in the form of a bar. The default hot water temperature preset is 85 degrees Celsius, and the different hot water temperatures can be used for a variety of purposes. To prevent possible burns when using the hot water function, be sure to use cups with handles. Pressing the Hot button for 3 seconds or more will allow you to lock or unlock the hot water function. The Volume function allows you to select the amount of water you want from the water volume presets. You can select between 4 volume presets: 120 milliliters, 250 milliliters, 500 milliliters, and 1000 milliliters for the desired volume of water, and the corresponding volume setting is displayed in the form of a bar. The default water volume preset is 120 milliliters. Auto-moving is a function to prevent water from splashing. The sensor bar behind the water outlet detects the height of the cup and automatically adjusts its position. By pressing the Volume button for 3 seconds or more, you can turn the auto-moving function on or off. Ambient is a function that selects purified water at room temperature. Continuous is a function you can select to dispense cold or room temperature water continuously. Continuous function can be used to dispense water up to 3 minutes at a time. During the continuous mode, pressing another button will stop the water dispensing. Cold is a function that selects cold water. UV Nano Self-Care is a function that sterilizes the inside of the water outlet. When the Self-Care button is pressed, the UV LED inside the water outlet turns on and sterilizes 99.99% of the water outlet. UV Nano Self-Care automatically operates 1 hour after power on. UV Nano Self-Care operates automatically every hour, and if you want additional sterilization, you can do so manually by pressing the Self-Care button. Pressing the Water Dispense button while UV Nano Self-Care is in operation will automatically stop the Self-Care function. The Dispense button is to allow or disable the flow of water when selecting a type of water. After selecting the desired drinking water and volume, press the Dispense button. If another button is pressed while water is being dispensed, water flow will stop. The hygiene lamp on the Dispense button informs you when to replace the filter. The color of the hygiene lamp changes from blue to orange, making it easier to identify when it's time to change the filter.